Hey everyone. If you're planning a move to Walker County, Georgia, you're in for a great experience. This area blends scenic views with small town charm, but a little planning goes a long way. I'm from Three Movers, and in the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through what to expect and how to prepare for your move. Walker County is valued for its blend of nature, community spirit, and convenient access to nearby cities. Whether you enjoy hiking, local festivals, or peaceful living, this area offers quality of life without the hustle of big cities. It's perfect for families, outdoor lovers, and anyone seeking comfort and community. When it comes to your move, planning is key. Most streets in Walker County are easily accessible for moving trucks, but it's always smart to give your movers a heads up about driveways, gates, or narrow turns. That way, your moving team can come prepared and your day stays on schedule. Here's a simple tip. Start packing early and label boxes by room and contents. It makes unpacking so much easier. If you're using professional movers, let them know about any heavy or fragile items ahead of time so they can bring the right equipment and plan their strategy. So that's a quick look at what it's like to relocate to Walker County, Georgia. From scenic surroundings to smart moving strategies that help the whole process go smoothly. For more local moving guides and expert tips, visit threemovers.com. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical advice you can trust.